Hi, Hal. Welcome to Distaka channel. Today we discuss topic about Facebook cover videos. So if you come into the Facebook business page, we have uploading options are here. What upload photo, edit, slideshow, so many options here. Only Facebook photo or anything. So in this one, how we can adding this in a particular option is called video option. That is called how we can upload further in this. When I'm clicking here, just go back, upload in this, select, choose file. Here is the select here in this video option. They can't promote this particular feature. Why? Because this will be JPG, PNG, GIF here. The photo could not be uploaded photo shoot smaller than 4 MB, the saved JPG, GIF in this particular format. Here, any Facebook cover videos creation purpose, we have to choose option name is called Crelo particular website will be supporting for design the here. So in this one, first of all, you can selecting for languages. They will supporting for multiple languages, supporting multiple languages. Here, in this Facebook video cover, there are a lot of supporting here. Viewer, they are designed for a lot of things. So in this one here, selecting for education template. There are multiple education templates are there. Select education template here. Just remove it. What are the parameters are here? We can remove this particular parameters. So this all image here, save image here. So now here will be compared to the option text, add text here, learn. So when select here, size was selecting for very comfortable. Learn free advanced digital marketing training video tutorials. Next, here my files, upload image or files. In this, what are the file you can upload? Upload the here only supporting for video file, but I'm looking for all files. Image, they can't upload the image option. Only photo can will be added here. So this add in this. So here, what are the text you select here? Photo test, video test. Here is the video test. This will be, we can changing this option, but I'm not looking this option. So here, this one, just my font. Here, upload your own font here. There is a style. Here, all our text will be there. You can use this text. Suppose here is that. So here, what is the problem is called? Here we can't select this one. This is the image type. Completely image type. So we can simple just drop. You can go for just a drag. So here we can check this option, photo test. So yeah. So this will be here. It's a clear option. Just click for download this option MP4 GIF here. First and download the MP4 format. The cover image supporting maybe GIF, maybe MP4. Two options are is valid. So which is your suitable, we can download it. So that format very important. Particular user we can use in the Facebook cover video. Facebook cover video main reason to expose your content and your channel information and every purpose. So here, close it and download. We have to go for GIF format, download. This is not for full or not licensed. There will be trial version. If you go to the price will be there. For the go to the full version, we can go to purchase the full version also. Same like how to use the Canva, same like we're using for Crelo.com website. It is a complete online platform to design images, videos for the particular social media and YouTube thumbnail purpose. Now click here, select this one here, remove this of future, upload, here upload this, go to download. Here is this, which format? GIF. So all I am saying MP4 GIF 2 I can using. So here will be upload for the GIF format option. So GIF format we can using for Canva also, but I'm using for Crelo for the GIF format. Click for particular save change option. So this is the way we can create for particular Facebook cover images on the particular user design purpose. So I'm not taking for motion picture. If I'm selecting for motion video, there is a complete for different by the users. So here, what are the options are here in this? Go to the video. So this is a video option. So template, you have to select. Don't go with other options. So here I'm what I'm selecting education. Education, which is the movable. Select it. It is a movable. So we can selecting here. This will also will be help to this adding this feature. So here. So what are the important things? We can utilize the option. This will also play. We download this feature. I'm selecting for GIF image. After download the GIF, you can check it out. It is movable or not. So these are the options we can select from the Facebook cover image purpose. So that is the most important to create a images using for Crelo website in this Facebook cover image purpose. So one of the best website is called Crelo. We can utilize the Facebook and they will be supporting for Square graphic post, Facebook post, Facebook video story, Instagram post, Instagram video story, and Instagram highlight covers, Instagram story, Twitter post. So many options they will be useful for the particular user for design the image purpose. So your template, if you go for unlimited, there is a particular options are unlimited here and brand kit here. Here your projects, what are the projects you design here, everything will be in this. So in this, how many design you looking for here? This will supporting Instagram for create video post, Facebook post, everything will be support from the Crelo website. Here is Facebook post, everything, Instagram story, Instagram post, everything purpose in this. So here I'm design, here is moving here. Simple, I'm saying changing this future. What are the image you design? Just refresh. So these are the images you designed previously. Is that I have to create one more education. This actually we have to play this option, but what is the reason this not play here? Will be play. They also play here, but what is the reason? I can check it out. Upload another image just as a checking purpose. So here, once upload, they will changing the options here. So these are the options mostly will be useful for the particular users changing for cover images for the Facebook. Which option name is called Crelo. The particular option will be used Crelo. The software we can design by the Facebook cover image as a video type. So just looking here, what are the image will be created in this just moment for just add this option. I'll show once again. So yeah, my file. And download MP4 and GIF images uploaded by the Facebook cover image purpose. So these are the future we can use Facebook cover image purpose. There's one of the websites called Crelo.com is online platform to design image and videos. Any question about the creating any option, you can contact my channel. I'll definitely will support any design and any poster purpose. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.